Home energy storage power control module parallel communication abnormal. When the management system reports a 3012 alarm, focus on checking whether the communication cables used for cascading are reversed, missed, or have other issues. Log into the Huawei Smart PV app and Smart PV Cloud to view detailed alarm information. 1. After logging in, issue a shutdown command to the inverter on the Huawei Smart PV app. Perform the power off operation in the order shown in the diagram. 2. Check whether the communication wiring between the energy storage power control module parallel systems is correct. 3. Use an extension cable to connect to the energy storage parallel communication port, extending it near the inverter communication port. Use a multimeter to measure whether there is continuity between the energy storage parallel communication port and the inverter communication terminal. If the measured resistance is less than 0.5 ohm, the wiring is correct. 4. After ensuring the wiring is correct, power on in sequence and check if the alarm is cleared. 5. If the alarm still exists, it is recommended to contact Huawei technical support for handling.